Hello and welcome to the Storybook Shed. My name is Louise and the story I'm going to read to you today is Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. And this was created and illustrated by James Dean. So just snuggle down and relax and enjoy the story. 'Twas the day before Christmas and Santa was ill. In the cold wind he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be cancelled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete, and although I'm small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. First stop, the North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, and he packed all the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete Cat cried, "This is totally groovy." I can do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds, Pete and the reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash, then back in his minibus as quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it its all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out, as quiet as a mouse. Then right at the break of a new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray!" for our friend Pete the Cat. I did it, said Pete, and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. And that's how Pete the Cat saved Christmas. I hope you enjoyed your visit to the Storybook Shed. Until next time, goodbye.